Shalom and welcome back. This is lesson number 16. The number went from shin to sin, so we get s in s. Okay, let's start number one, and we'll work all the way down. Su, se, sa, so, se, si. Sa, ra, sara, e, shet, eshet, Avraham, Avraham, Avraham. He, Sarah, Sarah, Ish, To. See this? Ish, To. Right? Sarah, Bat, Mi, At. Shabbat, Shalom, Shalom, Sarah, Sarah, Yesh, La, Sim, La. All right, there you go. That's it for this lesson.